In today's lesson, students will learn the principle of air gliders. They will start by building a paper airplane and testing it to determine under what conditions it will fly best. They should follow the directions on the student journal appendix to fold the sheet of paper into a paper airplane. They will do several test throws to find the best place to hold the paper airplane. They will throw the plane 3 times and record the distances it travels each time. They will attach the paperclip in 2 other places and repeat the process, recording the distance in the student journal and answering the questions on page 18.